September is a month of transition for lots of us. It means the end of summer if you live in an area close to where I live, and it also means back to school for lots of children and frankly lots of parents. It's an exciting time, but it's also an overwhelming time because any time of transition means change, change means overwhelm. And when it comes to cleaning, we already feel overwhelmed in so many ways, and it can feel hard to be motivated to clean even on your best days. So in this video, I really want to pay tribute to the month of September. It is Self-Improvement Month, a month where we are supposed to find ways to better ourselves and instill some good and positive habits. And that's going to be the vibe of the majority of content we put out this month, just giving ideas for you on how you can make some improvements in your life so that you can feel better and live a little bit better each day. So in this video, I'm going to share some of my secrets for instant cleaning motivation. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're looking forward to fall. Now, we've recently relaunched our Clean My Space community membership program, and members will get the opportunity to make some suggestions as to what kind of motivation content they want to see and kind of what things they're struggling with, and that will help inform some of the content we're creating this month. You know the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. Well, guess what? The same applies for cleaning. And if you don't have a plan of attack or a plan of action when it comes to cleaning, you can feel like you're running around like a chicken with your head cut off. You know, I need a better metaphor because that one just doesn't hit. It doesn't feel good. So if you have a better metaphor, let me know in the comments. But you can just feel so overwhelmed if you don't know what to do. And that's why a checklist, it's so simple and it's so easy. And I already have one for you. What you can do is go to makersclean.com. I've got that linked for you down below, where you will be able to download our free whole home cleaning checklist. And this is something that you can use as a guide to get you through a cleaning. Next up, I want you to know, and if you have to look in the mirror, repeat this to yourself, you can do that. I don't need to do it all today, okay? When you're cleaning, if you only have 10 minutes, set 10 minutes on a timer and get what you can get done in those 10 minutes. Is it 20? Is it 5? Doesn't matter to me. Give yourself a time limit and remind yourself, I don't have to be perfect and I don't have to get it all done today. Instantly, this feels motivating. You know, whenever you go back to school or you start a new job and you get to pick up some new office supplies or school supplies, and like that kind of invigorates you to go back to school or start a new job, I would say the same is true for cleaning. If you hate your arsenal of cleaning stuff, I'm not telling you to go out and spend a bunch of money, but I am telling you to reevaluate it, because instantly, if you feel excited about the products and the tools that you're using because you know that they're supporting you and helping you, you're gonna feel more motivated to clean. Whereas if you're resenting them, you don't like the smell, the trigger on the spray bottle never works, your microfiber cloths suck, whatever it is, if you're feeling agitated about the products and tools that you're using to clean, you're not gonna wanna clean. So I've got a few suggestions linked down below for you. I've got a link to Makers Clean where all of the great microfiber cleaning cloths are sold, as well as the Makers Mop. I've got some Amazon links, we earn small commission on that you can check out with some of my favorite tools. And I've even got some videos linked down below if you love making your own DIY cleaning products, to some of those as well. All of those are great ways to get yourself motivated to clean. When it comes to cleaning, I want you to think of it kind of like setting the mood for a romantic evening. You know, you're gonna get flowers, you're gonna have music, you're gonna have good wine, you're gonna dim the lights, you're setting a vibe. Okay, now I know cleaning is nowhere near as exciting or sexy or elusive, but bear with me on this one. You want to make cleaning a full body experience so that you can find little pockets of joy in it. So, does that mean finding a great audiobook, playlist, or podcast to listen to? Yeah. Does it mean finding a great scent to enjoy while you're cleaning, lighting a candle, running an aromatherapy diffuser? Find that. Does it mean filling your giant Stanley with a delicious drink, whatever that looks like to you? Whatever the case may be, find a way to make cleaning, this is gonna sound silly, but a sensual experience. Give your sense, not sense, but like sense, something to enjoy while you're cleaning. Now this point I think is the most salient it's the easiest, and it's also free. And that is have gratitude. It is so easy to get into a negative headspace and go down that spiral when it comes to cleaning, especially for people like me who aren't born with that natural gene of feeling excited about cleaning. So what ends up happening is, like, I'll look at the mess and then I start to get frustrated about people and things and situations and circumstances, and that is the worst way to approach cleaning. Instead, find the gratitude. If there's pet hair everywhere, don't get annoyed that you have to vacuum up the pet hair. Be grateful that you have furry friends that shower you with love all the time. Go over and give them a little pet and just like enjoy them for a second. If you're frustrated that you have so much space to clean, be grateful that you have a roof over your head and a beautiful home to enjoy. If you're upset that cleaning makes your body feel sore or tired, remember that you have a body that's been able to support you thus far, and you're able to adapt and adjust cleaning to what suits your needs. Whatever the struggle is in your mind, please find a way to convert it to a gratitude so that you can have an easier time when you clean. This just takes seconds, and it really does prime the pump for a positive cleaning experience. So now you know some of my top tips for that instant transition into cleaning motivation. And I would love to know in the comments down below, what is the one thing that you do to completely change your mindset when you're struggling with cleaning, or frankly anything else, because motivation is transcendent. All right, I read all of the comments, and our members have special loyalty badges beside their names. I've been seeing a lot of comments from members lately, and I do want to give a special shout out to Belle Riot, who is a Clean My Space producer. Thank you, Belle. If you are interested in becoming a Clean My Space producer or any other level of membership here at Clean My Space, you can learn more about our membership program down below. If you want to see that video I mentioned earlier about making your own cleaning products, you can click this link right over here. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.